Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spindle sander that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the POWERTEC Drill Press Sanding Drum Kit. Demanding woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts will appreciate POWERTEC's extensive 25-piece drill press sanding drum kit. You'll get 5 rubber drums ranging from 2 with both and 1/8 steel shanks, plus 20 sanding sleeves in 80 and 120 grit. The kit excels at sanding holes, contours, and irregular shapes. It's versatile enough for woodworking, metalworking, rust removal, and paint stripping. While the aluminum oxide sleeves and rubber drums offer good value for the price, some users note concerns about sleeve durability. The included carrying case keeps everything organized and portable for your workshop needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the sanding drums and sleeves set. Serious DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers will appreciate this extensive 16-piece sanding drum set that transforms any drill press into a versatile spindle sander. You'll get 4 rubber drums ranging from 1/2 to 1/2, along with 12 sleeves in 3 different grits. The resin-bonded aluminum oxide sleeves deliver superior grinding power, while the universal 1/4 shank fits most drills and rotary tools. Installation's a breeze. Just slide the sleeve onto the drum, and it'll expand during rotation for a secure fit. It's perfect for smoothing curved cuts, cleaning saw marks, and working with wood, metal, resin, glass, or aluminum surfaces. At number 3, we have the OSKOOL 2" x 3" sanding drum kit for drill or drill press. The OSKOOL 2" x 3" sanding drum kit stands out with its patented design that eliminates the need for replacement sleeves. You'll appreciate its flexible tightening roller that lets you use any cut sandpaper between 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters thickness. The kit comes complete with a combination wrench, number 120 grit sandpaper, and installation instructions. You can use it for sanding holes, contouring edges, and buffing irregular shapes on your drill press or hand power drill. While some users report minor wobble, you'll find it effective for various projects like oversizing plywood holes and refining wooden curves. At number 2, we have the POWERTEC Drill Press Sanding Drum Kit. Versatile craftsmen seeking an all-in-one sanding solution will appreciate POWERTEC's 20-piece drill press sanding drum kit. The set includes 4 rubber drums measuring 1/2 long with varying diameters, plus 16 sanding sleeves in 80 and 120 grits. You'll find this kit useful for multiple applications, from woodworking to metalworking. The stainless steel and rubber construction offers durability, while the aluminum oxide sleeves handle various materials effectively. While it's great for occasional use, be aware that you'll need to properly tighten the left-handed nut to prevent sleeve slippage, and smaller spindles may require extra attention to prevent wobbling. And finally, at number 1, we have the 187-piece sanding drum kit for drill and drill press. Professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts will appreciate Sunksic's extensive 187-piece sanding drum kit, which transforms any drill press into a versatile spindle sander. You'll get 24 2" sleeves in varying grits, 4 rubber drums ranging from 1/2 to 1/2 inches, and 150 smaller sanding sleeves. The kit's resin-bonded aluminum oxide sleeves provide effective grinding, while the rubber drums with stainless steel cores guarantee stability and reduced vibration. You can use this kit with drills, drill presses, and die grinders to smooth rough edges on wood, plastic, and metal. At 4.2 stars from 482 ratings, it's ranked number 1 in power sanding sleeves. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.